What's up, people? We're going to look at my copy of The Complete Periodic Table by Simon Basher. I was originally going to do this. This was originally going to be part in the same video as my Oshinoko video, but yeah. I like how the Ellen Flerovium's atomic symbol is still not in lowercase. Like, it's just like that. Everybody's favorite gas, hydrogen. No. Here's the group 1 guys. You might see this fellow in your phone batteries. Sodium's the guy that makes up your souls. This is the guy who is found in bananas. And some sports drinks too. Rubidium. Here's the group 2 fellows. Beryllium. Magnesium. Calcium's the guy that you find in your bones. Strontium. Barium. Radium. Here's all the transition metals. Manganese. Iron. He's the guy that you find in your blood as hemoglobin. Copper. Zinc. Silver's definitely a 2D fellow. Cadmium. tungsten, the only element with an atomic symbol of W. Here's the guy who was almost called. He was almost. He's almost going to be named after Japan, but that was moved to the guy whose number was 113 instead. Platinum. Oh my word. I wonder what would happen if Basher Science Gold met Sam Jokes' gold. Would gold have a fit? Because gold is gold. Mercury. This is the group 13. These are group 13 fellows. I think Boron knows why the good chemistry jokes are gone. Is aluminium or aluminum? You decide. The aluminium looks suspiciously similar to the Basher Science mascot. And Nihonium. Here's the Carbon group featuring the poster kid. Carbon! Silicon. This is Fluorovium. Here's the group 13 guy. I meant group 15. Anyway, here's nitrogen. Phosphorus. It's not supposed to be spelled with an O between the R and the U. It's, by the way. I don't know why some texts spell it like that. Arsenic and antimony. AKA stivium. Bismuth. Scorpio. Group 16. This is oxygen. And everyone needs it to live. Sulfur. Polonium and livermorium. It's the halogen group featuring fluorine. Chlorine, who's in your pools and water. Bromine. How do you... Astatine and Tennessine. Honestly, this guy's such a cutie. And we got the noble gases. Helium. Neon. I think Argon also knows why all the good chem jokes are gone. Let's move on. Krypton and Xenon. Radon. And Organism. Fun fact, I actually voted for Organism to be in parody of Ground Trivia in episode 19, and guess what? He got grounded. To me, he'll always be Organism. Here are the Landon Knights. I like how Landon's the only guy in the Landon Knight group who gets a single page, a full page dedicated to himself. The rest just 2 pages worth of that element. Dysprosium is kind of cool, fellas. So is holmium. Erbium's a really pretty fellow. Actinium doesn't even get 2 whole pages dedicated to himself. Like, what? Neither does protactinium. Protactinium and uranium don't get pages dedicated to themselves either. It's this guy, Neptunium. Fermium, who's always hiding behind a picture of a mushroom cloud for some reason. Mendelevium. Nobelium. And Lawrencium. Here's the chapter for the super heavy elements, which conveniently includes the artificial transition elements, but not the other synthetic actinides, and definitely not nihonium, fluorine, muscovium, livermorium, Tennessine, and oganesson. Yep. Guess who? Guess which synthetic transition element gets a page to himself? It's copernicium. Anyway, that's it for my flip through of this beat up copy of the periodic table. See you guys on the main channel. Oh, by the way, not by the way, sorry for the plug, but I have a booth shop, like a booth.pm shop. Its URL is just an amethyst, no hyphens between the words, .booth.pm. If you want to check it out, it's on my card, and it's also linked in my on my main channels. So yeah, bye.